Hi friends. Hi everybody. Welcome to Garden with Betty K. Guys, so I want to harvest this Tamarilo because it's a lot. It's a lot and it's been raining the whole week, 7 days straight. So I am going to harvest this with you, and then I think I'm going to contain them and put them in the fridge because I don't want to let them stay in these shells. So I'm going to open them and put them in the small jars, and then we enjoy them like pudding kind of situationship, ne. The reason why I'm wearing a bonnet, my bonnet, because the hokos that stays here, they love my hair, so I cannot risk my hair. They will think for this is their nest. This fruit is very nice, but the smell of the tree is not nice. So not nice. Come closer to them. Okay. Look at this red one. Look at this perfect red. Mm. Here, go fun. Oh, look at this. Nice and red. Oh, Mr. Presley. I'm in the jungle. I'm in the jungle. I'm looking for the super red ones. Can you see me down there? I have a lot. The other ones are still orange. They're not like red. And you can take it. I think that's it. So we have half. You see the birds are eating with me. Look. And they know what to eat. They only eat inside of this thing. So the birds are very smart. So this is everything that we have today. Like, see? Nice, eh? Very nice. Thank you for watching it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next upload. Bye. Ke re kgotsa go nna monyana wa Motswana wa go tswa kwa Rusty Dusty Mahlangeng. Bye guys.